Okay, so as you can see, I just long story, but we're here. So hold them up. Hold them up. Like, yeah, he has handcuffs on. Can see that. Okay. And he's playing car parking multiplayer, trying to get to. Yeah. And guys, if you like the developer, please comment on this video. We'll give you a shout out. Sponsor us. Yeah, sponsor us, please. That would be amazing. Okay, so let's get into the video. Okay, yeah. Okay, so as you can see, we are in car parking multiplayer. Yeah, you guys can see it. It's big on the screen. Oh, by the way, we had to scrap out part because someone offered me a free car. Yeah, that was the old video we were redoing it. So it was this car. It should be in the yeah, you guys can see it on the screen right now. Yeah. Wait, let's get into the video. If you play car parking multiplayer, I'm not going to. Okay, so let's get into the video for.